Scroll, select, scroll, select. All right, set. All right, next menu.
You not started yet? Time's money, you know.
Yeah, just a little adjustment. Yeah, don't I know it? Setting up this tester is so complex. I can't afford to get it wrong. I don't want to be missing any testing today. So yeah, time is money.
Well, you have to do all that setup manually.
Well, yeah, what do? Just guess and hope?
No. With my LanTEK 4S, all my setup is sent over the Trend AnyWARE cloud the night before. Well, it takes one project manager. He sets up all the cable IDs and technical requirements for the job. Super easy. All I have to do is show up on time and start the work. Yeah, and no getting the tests wrong, no failed warranty applications, and no recalls. Time's money.
I wish mine did that. Select language. Wish yours did that? Time to go blue.